Okay, so what we're doing is we're getting this truck ready to move. Put some air in the tires. Made a mount for the front. Got up here, drilled some holes in the frame and used a tow bar. And I put in some gear axle fluid. And she's ready to go. Rear diff, already checked the front diff and it was good. That one's been rebuilt. The back one, just checked it. Did guts and never refilled it. So anyways, getting there.
You're gonna see my legs, right?
Does it bother me? Does it bother you?
No, they're just legs. White legs.
White legs and mosquito bites? We just added them out and put chicken legs on you.
Yep. That's okay.
Record. Don't tell me I wasn't recording this time. Oh well. So this is the 76 Ramcharger. Just got done installing the tow bar. Got air in the tires, picked up all the wiring, put oil in the back axle. Should be ready to go.